Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to generate AI theme on Microsoft Edge. So at first just open up your Microsoft Edge and then click on three dots, then go to settings option. After that click on appearance, and from here you can change your Microsoft Edge theme. From here just scroll down and here you can see AI theme generator option, then just click here and here you can see create theme option. Here you have to describe the theme category. If I type create a natural theme, and you can see it's taking 20 seconds and it's generating your theme, and that's it. You can see the natural theme has been created or generated successfully, and you can also choose your color from here. Just choose any color. Now just click on apply theme and then click on apply again, and it's done. Now just open a new tab, and that's it. You can see the theme has been changed successfully. If I hide the content, and here it is. And that is how you can generate AI theme on Microsoft Edge. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.